అని ఆన్ చేసావా? Good morning, students. In the continuation of the previous class, we will do some objective problems on hyperbola. Right, first problem. The vertices of a hyperbola are 2, 0, minus 2, 0, and foci are 3, 0, minus 3, 0. Then the equation of hyperbola is see here, what are the vertices given? 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Given vertices plus or minus 2, 0. Write those two vertices as plus or minus 2, 0. Foci 3, 0, minus 3, 0. Write it as plus or minus 3, 0. You observe that in both vertex and foci, y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, then the point lies on x-axis. It is hyperbola. It is foci vertex. It is the foci S and it is the vertex A. Here also foci and vertex. So vertex and foci both lie on x-axis. If vertices and foci lies on x-axis, then transverse axis is x-axis, conjugate axis is y-axis. Then equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is the equation of the hyperbola. To this hyperbola, what is vertex? Plus or minus a, 0. What is the foci? Plus or minus ae, 0. From the table, to this hyperbola, foci is plus or minus ae, 0. Vertex is plus or minus a, 0. Comparing x coordinate, a is equal to 2. Here, comparing x coordinate, ae is equal to 3. From this, e is equal to 3 by a. The value of a is 2. But what is the formula of e? Root of a square plus b square by a square is equal to 3 by. Now squaring on both sides and substitute a value. A square 4 plus b square by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. 4 cancel. 4 plus b square is equal to 9. B square is equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Next, next problem. The equation of hyperbola, whose foci are 4, 2 and 8, 2 and eccentricity E is equal to 3. Find equation of that hyperbola. You observe that what are given foci? 2 points are given. 4, 2, let it be S 4, 2. Second foci S dash 8, 2. You observe that in both foci x coordinate is same. If x coordinate is same, then the line passing through S and S dash is parallel to x axis. Here it is x axis and it is origin and it is y axis. The shape of hyperbola is in this way. What is foci here? 4, 2. Second is in this way. It is 8, 2 and one foci is 4, 2. Now you observe that this is S and this is S dash. See what is the distance between foci? Distance between foci is equal to 2AE. Always distance between foci is 2AE. 2AE is SS dash. Distance between foci is 2AE. Okay, let it be S dash and let it be S. What is the distance between these 2 points? Root of 8 minus 4 whole square, 4 square 16 plus 2 minus 2 0, root 16, that is 4. So 2AE is equal to 4. In this E value is given, E is equal to 3. Substitute E value, 2A into 3 is equal to 4. 2 times cancel. So A is equal to, from this A value is 2 by 3. 3A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2 by 3. Now we find B value. And how to find B value? E value, eccentricity E is equal to 3. What is the formula of eccentricity in hyperbola? Root of A square plus B square by A square is equal to 3. In this substitute A value, A square 4 by 9 plus B square by 4 by 9 is equal to 3. Root 4 by 9, 2 by 3. On cross multiplying, root of 4 by 9 plus B square is equal to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel, we get 2. Now squaring on both sides, 4 by 9 plus B square is equal to 4. from this b square is equal to 4 minus 4 by 9, 4 into 3, 36 minus 4, 32 by 9, that is b square. A is 2 by 3. Next, you observe that center of this parabola is not origin. Center is the midpoint of foci. Find center. Here, center of hyperbola is midpoint of S dash foci. What is the formula to find midpoint? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 4 plus 8 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, 4 plus 8, 12 by 2, 6 comma 4 by 2. If 6 comma 2, that is if alpha comma beta is center of the hyperbola, then equation of hyperbola is in the form of x minus alpha whole square by a square plus y minus beta whole square by b square minus is equal to 1. You observe this. If origin is center, then the hyperbola is in standard form. We get x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. But if alpha comma beta is center, then hyperbola is in this form. Okay, you put alpha is equal to 6, beta is equal to 2. X minus 6 whole square by a square, a is 2 by 3, a square 4 by 9 minus y minus beta 2 whole square by b square 32 by 9 is equal to 1. Now simplify and find the equation. This 9 goes to numerator. 9 into x minus 6 whole square by 4 minus 9 into y minus 2 whole square by 32 is equal to 1. Now what is the LCM here? 32. 4, 8, 8 into 9, 72 x minus 6 whole square minus 9 into y minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. Now cross multiply, we get lights of this. We get 72 into x minus 6 whole square minus 9 into y minus 2 whole square is equal to 32. Okay, if center is some point, we get hyperbola in this way. Next, write the next problem. The equation of hyperbola, having a distance between foci as 32 and eccentricity and eccentricity 3 by 2 is the eccentricity 3, not 3 by 2, it is 2 root 2. eccentricity 2 root 2 is read the problem. Equation of hyperbola having distance between foci 32. Distance between foci is 2AE, that is 32. From this eccentricity is given. Eccentricity is 2 root 2. Substitute E value and find A. 2A into 2 root 2 is equal to 32. 2 into 2 4. So root 2 into A is equal to 8. From this A is equal to 8 by root 2. 8 is taken as 4 into 2. So we get 4 root 2. A is 4 root 2. Now we find B value. We know the formula of eccentricity, that is the root of A square plus B square by A square is equal to 2 root 2. Squaring on both sides. A square 16 into 2 32 plus B square by 32 is equal to what we get here, 4 into 2 8. So 32 plus B square is equal to 32 into 8. $256. So B square is equal to 256 minus 32, 4, 2, 224. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is x square by A square. What is A square? A value 2 root 2, 4 root 2. A square 16 into 2 32 minus y square by B square. B square is 224 is equal to 1. Next problem. One of the focus, origin is one focus. Write the problem. Origin is one focus and the corresponding directrix is x plus 3 is equal to 0 if the eccentricity is root 3, then equation of hyperbola is you read the problem. What is given? Given focus S is equal to origin. Focus is origin. Origin is one focus. Corresponding directrix. Given a directrix is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Eccentricity E is equal to root 3. We know that for any conic, we let Px comma y be any point on that conic. Be any point on hyperbola. In any conic, a distance of this point from focus and a distance from directrix, they are in constant ratio. That ratio is called eccentricity. This is common for any conic. Sp by Pm is equal to E. See the diagram. Let it be focus. This is some conic. Let P x comma y be any point. Let this line be directrix. Distance of this point from focus Sp, distance of this point from directrix, distance from line means perpendicular distance Pm. The ratio of the distances is eccentricity. On cross multiplying, Sp is equal to E into Pm. What is Sp? A distance from S to P. We get x minus 0, x square plus y square is equal to E root 3 into distance from P to this directrix mod x plus 3 by root 1. Distance from any point to the line mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. Here b is 0, root 1 1. To remove the square root, squaring on both sides, x square plus y square is equal to 3 into x plus 3 whole square. Now expand it. 3 into x square plus 9 plus 6x. Take these two terms to that side. 3x square minus x square, 2x square minus y square plus 18x plus 27 is equal to 0. In this way, if focus and directrix are given, we can find equation of any conic. Write the next problem. Equation of hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola with length of latus rectum 4 and E is equal to 3 is equation of hyperbola in standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. To this hyperbola, length of latus rectum that is 2b square by a. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. What is the length of latus rectum? That is 4. That is 4. On cross multiplying, 2 times cancel. B square is equal to 2a. B square is equal to 2a. Eccentricity is given. Eccentricity E is equal to 3. What is the formula of eccentricity? Root a square plus b square by a square is equal to 3. In this you substitute b square is equal to 2a. Cross multiply root of a square plus 2a is equal to 3 into a. Root a square is a. On cross multiplying we get 3a. Squaring on both sides. A square plus 2a is equal to 3a. Here a square is equal to 2a, 3a minus 2a, a. From this a is equal to 1. A times cancels. So a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, then what is b value? B square is equal to 2a, that is 2. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is x square by a square 1 minus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Here you observe that on squaring what we get? 3a whole square. We get 9a square here, not 3a, 9a square. Now you find a value again. Nine a square minus a square, that is 8a square, that is equal to 2a. 2 times cancel. From this a is equal to 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. If a is equal to 1 by 4, then find b value. B square is equal to 2a. So that is equal to 2 into a, 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Therefore, equation of hyperbola x square by a square 1 by 4 whole square 1 by 16 minus y square by 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 is equal to 1. This 16 goes to numerator. 16x square minus 4y square is equal to 1. That is the equation of hyperbola. Here again b square is 1 by 2. So 2y square. Next, equation of hyperbola with center zero comma 3, focus 0 comma 5, and semi conjugate axis. Semi conjugate axis 1 is okay. See what is given. Center, given center alpha comma beta is equal to 0 comma 3. Here center is not origin, so hyperbola is not in standard form. Focus is equal to 0 comma 5. You observe that center and foci, in both these center and foci, x coordinate is 0. If x coordinate is 0, then these 2 points lies on y axis. Center 0 comma 3, focus 0 comma 5. then hyperbola shape is in this way. Now this is center C and focus 0, 5. Here this hyperbola, what is this is symmetric about y-axis with center alpha comma beta. If alpha comma beta is center and center lies on y-axis, this hyperbola is called conjugate hyperbola. What is the equation of conjugate hyperbola? With center 0, 0, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the equation of conjugate hyperbola with center 0, 0. Why it is called conjugate hyperbola? Its transverse axis is y-axis. Okay. Right. Here the center is alpha comma beta. Therefore, equation of hyperbola is in the form of x minus alpha whole square by a square minus y minus beta whole square by b square is equal to minus 1. Here alpha comma beta is given. Now we find the values of a and b. What is given? Semi-conjugate axis. To this conjugate hyperbola, what is transverse axis and what is conjugate axis? Transverse axis is y-axis, conjugate axis is x-axis. What is the length of the conjugate axis? Yes. Here what is given? Semi-conjugate axis. Semi means half of the conjugate axis. Here conjugate axis length is 2a, semi-conjugate axis is 2a by 2. That is a. A is 1. The value of a is 1. Now we find b value. Here what is given here? Center is given, semi-conjugate axis is given. Now find b value. You observe that b is the distance from center to the foci. B is equal to, what is the distance between these 2 points? So the root of x2 minus x1 whole square 0 plus 5 minus 3 2 whole square 4 root 4, that is 2. Substitute these values in this hyperbola, we get x minus alpha 0 by a square 1 minus y minus beta is 3 by b square 4 is equal to minus 1. Now simplify this. X square minus, what is the LCM here? 4. So 4x square minus y minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 1. Now cross multiply. 4x square minus y minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 4. Next, problem. The vertices of the vertices of hyperbola are plus or minus 2 comma 0 and foci are plus or minus 3 comma 0, then its equation is first, on observing the points, we trace the shape of the hyperbola. What is given here? Given vertices are plus or minus 2 comma 0, foci plus or minus 3 comma 0. You observe that in both these coordinates, y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, both these points lies on x axis. Vertex plus 2, 2 comma 0, this point minus 2 comma 0. Next, focus is given S, it is S dash 3 comma 0, S dash is minus 3 comma 0. So the hyperbola is in standard form. Now what is the distance between these two vertices? Distance between two vertices is distance between two vertices is equal to 2a. What is the distance between two vertices? 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0, root of 2 plus 2, 4 whole square, that is 16, root 16, that is 4. 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2. Similarly, a distance between foci, that is 2ae, that is equal to ss dash. What is the distance between S and S dash? 3 plus 3, 6 whole square, 36, that is 6. 2ae is equal to 6. From this ae is equal to 3. Substitute a value, e is equal to 3 by 2. From this find b value. Find b value. What is the formula of eccentricity? Root of a square plus b square by a square is equal to 3 by 2. But what is a value? 4. 16 plus b square by root 16, 4. Cross multiply, we get 3 by 2 into 4. 2 times cancel. 3 into 2, 6. Squaring, 16 plus b square is equal to 36. B square is equal to 36 minus 16, 20. So therefore equation of hyperbola is x square by a square, a2, so a square 4 minus y square by b square 20 is equal to 1. Here a value is 2, root a square a, so we get 3 into 2. Root a square is a, but a is 2, so we get 3. 16 plus b square, that is 9. B square is equal 9 minus 16. A is 2. If A is 2, then A square is 4. 4 plus B square is equal to 3. So 4 plus B square is equal to 9. So B square is equal to 5. On squaring, we get 4 plus B square is equal to 9. B square is equal to 5. So equation of hyperbola is x square by 4 minus y square by 5 is equal to 1. Next, next problem. The radius of the director circle of the hyperbola x square by 81 minus y square by 36 is equal to 1 is. First write the formula how to find equation of director circle of hyperbola. The equation of director circle of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is. First write that formula. In synopsis, the formula to director circle and auxiliary circle are given. X square plus y square is equal to a square minus b square. This is the formula to find equation of director circle. Okay, from what is a square here? 81. What is b square? 36. So equation of director circle is x square plus y square is equal to 81 minus 36. 5. That is 45. So this is the director circle, x square plus y square is equal to 45. We find radius of this director circle. It is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square. What is r square? 45. So r is equal to root 45. Square root of 45. Or write it as 9 into 5. Root 9, 3. That is 3 root 5. Next, equation of the auxiliary circle, of the hyperbola x square by 25 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is. Here also write the formula how to What is the formula to find auxiliary circle? Equation of auxiliary circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square. First we learn what is meant by director circle and what is meant by auxiliary circle. You take any curve, let the curve be hyperbola. You take from an external point, how many tangents are drawn to this hyperbola? 2 tangents are drawn. If the angle between these 2 tangents is 90 degrees, then the locus of point of intersection of these tangents with the conic is a circle. It forms a circle. This circle is called directric circle. To any conic, either hyperbola or ellipse, from an external point 2 tangents are drawn. If the angle between the tangents is 90 degrees, then the locus of this point is a circle. That circle is called director circle. Next, auxiliary circle. See this diagram. This is hyperbola. Okay, here we take one point. At this point, take a tangent. Locus of theta perpendicular. You take a perpendicular drawn from this point to the axis. This point, this locus of this point is called auxiliary circle. The clearly definitions are given in synopsis. What is meant by director circle and what is meant by auxiliary circle. You read the definitions thoroughly. In both ellipse and hyperbola. Okay, equation of auxiliary circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. But what is a square here? 25. So x square plus y square is equal to 25. That is the equation of the auxiliary circle. Next, the next concept, we do some problems on eccentricity. Right, first problem. In a hyperbola, the distance between the foci is 3 times the distance between directrices. Then eccentricity E is equal to what is given in a hyperbola? Distance between foci. Distance between foci is 2AE. That is 3 times the distance between distance between the directrices is 2a by e. 2a by e. See how these are obtained. You see this diagram, x-axis, y-axis. This is hyperbola. Foci is AE comma 0. Second foci minus AE comma 0. Then say what is the distance between these 2 points? 2AE. This length is AE. This length is also AE. So distance between the foci is 2AE. Next, directrices. This is one directrix. This is one directrix. Equation of the directrix is x is equal to a by e. This is x is equal to minus a by e. This distance is a by e. This distance is a by e. So total distance between these two directrices is 2a by e. From diagram it is clear. Now based on this find e value. Here 2 get cancelled, a get cancelled. We get e is equal to 3 by e. So e square is equal to 3. E is equal to root 3. You observe one important note here. Always in hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. Then you check the answer also. What is root 3? What is the value of root 3? 1.7. It is greater than 1. In ellipse, eccentricity is always less than 1. Write the next problem. In a hyperbola, the distance between foci is 2 and distance between the directrices is 1, then eccentricity E is equal to, see in a hyperbola distance between foci, we already discussed what is the distance between two foci, 2AE, that is equal to, what is the distance to? Distance between directrices 2a by e, that is equal to 1. Distance between two foci is 2ae. Distance between two directrices is 2a by e. From these two conditions, find eccentricity. Now multiply these two or divide 2ae by 2a by e is equal to 2 by 1. Here 2a cancel. This e goes to numerator. E into e square is equal to 2. From this, what is e value? Root 2. You check root 2 value 1.4, that is greater than 1. So in a simple way we can find eccentricity. Next, the distance between the foci of the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Find the distance between foci. We already discussed distance between two foci is 2AE. First we find eccentricity to that hyperbola. What is a square given 16? What is b square? 9. This hyperbola is in standard form. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. What is the formula of eccentricity? Root of a square plus b square by a square. Root of 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 plus 9, 25 by 16. That is 5 by 4. Now distance between foci. Distance between foci is equal to 2AE. 2 into A square is 16, A is 4. Eccentricity 5 by 4. 2 into 5, that is 10. Next, the length of, if the lengths of transverse and conjugate axis are 4, 2, then the distance between foci is foci of the hyperbola is length of transverse axis, that is 4. Given length of transverse axis. In a hyperbola, what is the length of transverse axis in standard form? 2a, that is 4. Length of conjugate axis 2b, that is equal to 2. From this a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. Now find the distance between foci. We already discussed distance between foci is 2AE. First is find eccentricity. E is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square. A square, a is to a square 4 plus 1 by 4. 5 by 4 or root 5 by 2. Distance between foci. Distance between the foci is 2AE, that is equal to 2 into A 2 into E root 5 by 2. 2 to cancel. So that is 2 root 5. Next problem. The foci of the conjugate hyperbola, the conjugate hyperbola of the hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. Here we find foci of conjugate hyperbola of this hyperbola. What is the conjugate hyperbola of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1? That is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. So, conjugate hyperbola of the given hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1 is x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to minus 1. Conjugate hyperbola of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. Now, to this hyperbola, conjugate hyperbola, we find foci. To this conjugate hyperbola, what is the formula to find foci? 0 comma plus or minus BE. To a conjugate hyperbola, foci is 0 comma plus or minus BE. Now, first we find eccentricity E. What is a square here? 4. So, a is equal to 2. B square is 12. So, b is equal to root 12. In a conjugate hyperbola, what is the formula to find eccentricity? Root of b square plus a square by b square. This is the formula to find eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. What is b square? 12 plus a square 4 by b square, that is 12. 12 plus 4 16, root 16, 4 by root 12. Root 12 is taken as 2 root 3. 2 root 3. This is 2 by root 3. Therefore, foci 0 comma plus or minus BE. What is B? Root 12. Root 12 is taken as 2 root 3. Root 12 is 4 into 3. That is 2 root 3 into eccentricity 2 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 0 comma plus or minus 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay.